Let's move to pause. So, I just finished restoring this wonderful vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. And as the video highlights, everything works perfectly. Full range of motion of the head, the beak and the tail operate as they should. The mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. But most importantly, the bird whistle is strong, clear, and hits all of the proper oscillating notes. Everything is original on this cage. Those are the original feathers on the bird. I'm going to turn this off for a second. Original feathers on the bird. Rather than refeather the bird, I took the time to clean all of the feathers instead. And originality is always nice. It's also the original foliage, fall colors in this case, original flooring, and original berries and black forest mushroom. Now I did take off the old faded crackling paint from the berries and the mushroom, and I repainted those, but they are original to the piece. The cage itself is in wonderful vintage condition. It does have some patina, as you would expect. And I went through the entire movement, bellows, and bird. So this bird sings and operates as it should. You simply wind it up. This bird cage has a very nice sound to it. And then pause again. Take care.